Hello everyone, I am teacher Guohar Huang. Today, I will introduce the third unit, how to search for and organize literature. Today's content is divided into two parts, how to search for literature and how to organize literature. When we search for literature, we generally aim to find high-quality sources. First, we recommend using WOS, which stands for Web of Science, because the articles included here have undergone rigorous selection processes. The second option is Google Scholar, a comprehensive search engine for scholarly literature that is very user-friendly, making it easy to find the information you need for your research. Lastly, Taiwan has the National Digital Library of Theses and Dissertations. WOS owes its origins to an American company, which in 1997 organized it into a comprehensive database of literature indexes. This database provided users with literature and citation data across various subject areas. In 2014, it was officially renamed Web of Science, or WOS. In 2016, it became an independent company called Clarivate Analytics. WOS mainly includes the Science Citation Index Expanded, SCIE, Social Science Citation Index, SSCI, Arts Humanities Citation Index, AHCI, and Conference Proceedings Citation Index, CPCI. The CPCI is divided into the Science Citation Index and the Social Science Humanities Citation Index. Additionally, it includes some essential books categorized into science and social science humanities. In simple terms, if an article, conference, or book is included in WOS, it signifies that its importance has been recognized. This recognition can be a valuable tool for researchers, academics, and students, as it can be used to discover new research, trends, and influential works in their respective fields. How can we search for these materials at UNTEC? We can start by logging into UNTEC's SSO. After logging into SSO, an electronic resources option will be on the SSO interface. We can directly access it through the electronic resources management system. You can also access it through the library's interface. Once inside, you can find WOS. The layout may change over time, but you can always find WOS or search for WOS to find the corresponding link. The benefit of using SSO is that WOS will recognize you as a UNTEC affiliate. If UNTEC has a subscription, you can directly use it. After entering WOS, you will see this screen. It prompts you to enter the keyword you want to search for. For example, if I want to find research related to the Erhu, I type Erhu, then select the topic and click Search. Then it will display 5 Erhu-related papers currently indexed in the database. One is my paper, while the others belong to other authors. However, the fact that only 5 papers on this topic are indexed worldwide by WOS underscores the urgent need for more research in this area. Each listed paper allows you to view its abstract or access its full text. If the full text is available, you can click Full Text from the publisher to be directed to the publisher's website where you can download it. However, being redirected doesn't guarantee access. It depends on whether your school has a subscription. If it does, you can download it for free. Otherwise, you must pay. If the full text isn't available, but you only want to view the abstract, you can usually find it in WOS. The second commonly used tool is Google Scholar. You will be directed to this interface when you search for Google Scholar on Google. From there, you can enter the keywords you're searching for and find scholarly papers. For example, if I search for Erhu and Guohar Huang, I will find the papers related to the Erhu that I have authored. I have 2 papers that somebody can find on Google Scholar. If we click on this symbol, it will display the citation format for the reference, such as the commonly used APA format. However, it's important to note that its APA format may not always be accurate. Based on my experience, it's correct about 70 to 80% of the time, but there's still a 20 to 30% chance of errors. The format it generates often needs adjustment, so it's best not to rely too heavily on it. Next, there's the National Digital Library of Theses and Dissertations in Taiwan. We can access it to find resources. You can register as a member first to download theses and dissertations. The registration process is something you can try out on your own. Next, let's discuss how to organize literature. There are two different approaches to organizing literature. One is called intensive reading, and the other is called skim reading. You should read a paper thoroughly if you're presenting it to others. This involves reading the paper from start to finish, creating a presentation, and reporting it to other classmates or teachers during a meeting. For instance, when we're writing a paper and must reference related literature, we might use skim reading to quickly understand the main points of an article. On the other hand, if we're presenting a paper to others, we should use intensive reading to ensure a deep understanding of the text. In this case, we might only be interested in the article's concepts, methods, and conclusions. We only need to know a portion of the content, not the entire report. Whether you're using intensive reading or skim reading, it's crucial to organize the corresponding APA format for citation as a reference. The APA format provides a standardized way to cite sources, ensuring that your references are clear, accurate, and consistent. This format ensures that your citations are consistent and accurate, which is essential in academic writing. I usually condense an article into one page, regardless of whether I'm intensive reading or skim reading. This page includes the title, authors, research questions, experimental subjects, results, and conclusions, which are the critical elements of the article that I condense into one page. I will also provide a citation in the trusted and accurate APA format, and of course its APA reference format. Summarizing it onto one page makes it more convenient for future reference when writing related papers. Now, every student, please go to WOS to find one article related to your research topic and download the PDF file. Then, please organize this paper into a one-page summary according to today's method. Finally, please upload your one-page summary file to our ClassLine group. For the file name, please use school ID name, one-page summary, docx, as it will help us keep track of your submissions. This unit is over. Thank you, everyone. Any questions? If there are no questions, see you next week.